Aloha, and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today we'll be preparing for you mango and sweet potato sticky rice. Soak glutinous rice in warm water for 30 minutes, then drain. Place the rice into a rice cooker with sweet potato, water, coconut cream, sugar, and salt. Cook according to the rice cooker instructions. While the rice cooks, prepare the mango slices. Once the rice is done, gently mix it to slightly break up the sweet potato. Pack the rice mixture into a small plastic wrap lined bowl. Then invert onto a plate to form a dome. Arrange mango slices alongside the rice, drizzle with honey, and garnish with black sesame seeds. Finish by topping the rice with additional coconut cream. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.